Hello viewers, welcome to Messy Healthy Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to show you how to cook Ofe Owerri. I know you must have watched a lot of videos on YouTube, Facebook concerning Ofe Owerri. But in this video, there is something special about it. First of all, we'll start by listing our ingredients. First, we'll have our okazi leaf. We'll have our ugu leaf, that's pumpkin leaf. We'll have our stockfish. This stockfish, I'm using the ear. We'll have our dry fish. I've deboned it, the catfish dry, and mangala. I have one left at home. You have your cocoyam. Ofe Owerri is best prepared with red cocoyam. We call it ede. Some call it eduhe. Some call it edeji. But in our Owerri language, anyị eji akpọ ya wụ eduhe. We have our pepper, that's our Scotch bonnet pepper. We have our crayfish. We have our snail. We have our cow tripe. We have our beef. I'm using the muzzle parts of the cow meat. We have our cow skin. We have our bonga fish. Actually, there is a particular fish my mother normally uses in cooking it. We call it nwambike. Are nwambike no n'ahịa. I'm using bonga fish. We have our salt. We have our maggi. We have our uziza leaf. This is optional. I like the hot spiciness it gives to the soup. First, we'll start by getting all our ingredients ready, especially the leaf. I'll wash the leaf. That's my ugu leaf. I enjoy washing my ugu leaf in a running water, but in the absence of running water, you can use a big bowl of water to wash it. The most important thing is washing it very well. As you can see, the sand in the first washing, the thing is much. So I proceed in washing the second time. I added some salt for proper washing. I am done washing the leaf. I will cut it into thin slices and set aside. The cutting of the leaf, I'm going to do it off camera. My okazi leaf is nicely cut, as you can see. And I have my uziza leaf. Wash it very well. I will cut it and set it aside as well. So all my leaves are nicely washed and cut. I'm setting them aside. Then I move to peeling off the ede. That's my red cocoyam, eduhe. You peel it just like the way you peel your yam because of the nature of the ede. That's the cocoyam. After peeling, I wash it nicely. And I cook it till it is soft and tender, just like yam. Then I'll pound it. Add a little oil while pounding and set aside. So I will start my cooking proper. I'm going to simmer my cow skin, my cow tripe, snails, stockfish, meat is already nicely washed. I'll put them in a pot. They all have the same boiling time. The stockfish is hard. What I'm not going to add here is my washed and deboned dry fish and mangala. I'll put that one later. Just follow me to the end of this video and you will understand. So I add my chopped onions, my seasoning cube, and I will transfer it to my gas and allow it to simmer for some minutes before I will add water that I'm going to use in cooking. I enjoy allowing my meat to simmer so that it will bring out its own juice and make the meat to taste nicely. I've added water. I'll proceed by adding 3 cooking spoons of palm oil. As you can see, I'll cover it and start cooking. The soup has been boiling for 20 to 25 minutes now. After 20 to 25 minutes, I add my nicely washed deboned dry fish, all of them including the mangala. Add salt to your desired taste. I add my blended pepper and crayfish. And I will cover it to boil for additional 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I added my thickener, that's the cocoyam. When adding the red cocoyam, that's the eduhe or yam, don't add too much to avoid the soup being too thick. Ofe Owerri is not supposed to be too thick or too light. So allow it to simmer for additional 10-15 minutes to dissolve the lumps of the cocoyam. I added my uziza leaf. You know, uziza leaf has this nice aroma in soup. So I cover it halfway. After 8 minutes, I added my okazi leaf. Allow it to simmer for 3 minutes. Then I'll taste for salt. I use 2 seasoning cubes in cooking this soup. I've used one to steam the meat. I'm going to add the remaining one to the soup. Add a little more salt. There is no salt in the soup at all. Add a little more salt. Cover for 2 minutes. And I will add my ugu leaf. Stir it very well. Stir it very well. and off the lights. Just look at that. Just look at the beautiful soup. Just come down, come with your choice of swallow, your oatmeal, your fufu, apple or garri, any one of your choice. The soup is really good. It has a lot of vitamins and nutrients in it. And it tastes real nice. I know some people be wondering, you didn't eat ogiri Igbo. No. Ogiri Igbo in Ofe Owerri is purely optional. But for this, I really want to show how a typical Ofe Owerri is being cooked and how it looks like. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.